system. This video tutorial is about project creation. Every successful project starts with proper planning. But when project details, timelines, budgets, and team assignments are managed across multiple spreadsheets or disconnected tools, it becomes difficult to track progress, control cost, and keep everyone aligned. With project management at Supista PMS, you can create a centralized project that brings together your timeline, budget, and team in one place. Let's see how. To create a new project, you need to go on the Create button and click on it. As you can see, a project creation form appears. As you can see, this particular form is divided into four parts: project details, project timeline, project budget, project team member. To create a project, the user needs to fill relevant details like project name, department, tax master, project description, the timeline details, etc. Let us create a new project. Here, as you can see, we can fill in the relevant project details, we can fill in the project timeline, what was our planned project start date, what was the actual project start date, what was the planned project end date, what will be our actual project end date. We can also calculate project budget by entering relevant information here, and some of the columns are then auto-calculated. One can also assign project managers from the various team members they have. They can select the employee team that they want to assign this to, and then they can assign additional assignees as well. Then all you need to do is go and click on Create. As you can see, we have received the notification that the project has been created. When we go back, we can see here that our project has been listed here, the one that we just created right now. When you scroll further, you will be able to see all of the details of the project that have been created. So Pista PMS provides you with the option of filter so that if you want to look for a specific project, you can do so. Suppose I want to filter out my projects based on the project status. I'll simply click on this filter under project status and select, let's say, in progress. After I have applied this filter, I will only see the projects whose project status is in progress. Similarly, if I want to see something else, like if I want to see the projects that have been completed, I'll simply click on the completed. And here, as you can see, I'll see all of this. The Pista PMS also provides you with advanced table options like aggregate. I'll show you how. Suppose, as you can see, here we have a project completion percentage column. Now, if I want to see what is my total project completion percentage, I'll simply go on aggregate, scroll down, I'll click on project completion percentage. It is already set to some and I'll apply changes. As you can see here, I'm able to see total project completion percentage. In Supista PMS, we can also export all this data using CSV export button here. Creating projects in Supista PMS ensures that every project starts with complete planning and structured execution. With timelines, budgets, resources, and project information maintained in a single system, organizations gain better visibility, improved collaboration, and greater control over project deliveries. Project managers can monitor progress, track costs, manage teams, and identify delays, all from one centralized platform. With project management and Sapesta PMS, every project begins with a strong foundation. That was all for this video. Thank you very much.